it's green time, and for green warm-up, we're gonna play Simon Says. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your ear. Oh, did you touch your ear? Because Simon didn't say. Simon says, wink your eye. Simon says, stop. Simon says, tap your shoulders. Stop. Did you stop? Simon didn't say. Simon says, sit down. You played Simon Says with me. In the next part of green, we're gonna need our hands because we're gonna be blending word sounds together to make the words. All right, the first word is key. K-E, key. The next word is tea. T-E, tea. And then the last one is we. W-E, we. Yesterday, we learned a new finger play called When a Little Chicken Drinks. Do you guys remember how to make a little chicken with your hands? Make a fist, point your index finger, point your thumb, put them together. I think when a little chicken drinks, he takes the water in his bill and then he holds his head way up so the water can run downhill. We get to learn a new letter today, and the letter that we're gonna learn is X. But first, let's sing the alphabet song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I never will forget how to say the alphabet. We're gonna learn X. What do you think is on the back side of this card? I'm gonna turn it over. Exit. Do you guys wanna learn the chant for X? This is the way Mr. X exits, Mr. X exits, Mr. X exits. This is the way Mr. X exits. X, 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 x. X says x. Can you say that with me? X. For this part of green, I have 2 pictures with words under them. I have egg and chicken. How many letters are in the word egg? 1, 2, 3. And how many letters are in the word chicken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which word is longer, egg or chicken? If I put them over each other, which word has more letters? Yeah, chicken has more letters. Which word has less letters? Chicken or egg? Yeah, egg has less letters.